So this is the bus that's supposed to take us to the athletes' village. The athletes' village is one of the most exclusive areas of any games. We see the arenas, we see the opening ceremonies, we see where the games are being played, but very rarely do we get to see the place where the athletes are actually staying. And I was surprised that we got to go in, but I was thrilled. So this is just coming into the athletes village. We need to get our accreditation validated and get a little bit of a guest pass. Getting that now. So that was slightly unnerving. They keep our passports and they give us this guest pass instead. Because it's the kind of experience that you don't get in a cricket tournament. You have maybe 10 to 12 teams staying in 3 or 4 different hotels, 3 or 4 different venues. Everybody's spread out, the talent is spread out. But here you've got almost 10,000 plus athletes in one place. And it's an amazing environment. Since there are 2 venues, there are 2 different athletes villages. The one in Jakarta here is built over 10 hectares. There are 7 towers, 7 huge apartment buildings housing all the athletes. More than 7,000 flats housing 22,000 people. Just surrounded by all these buildings. In the center is a courtyard and an amphitheater, and that's where the welcome ceremony for the Indian team was happening. That's where the flag was raised. That's where the national anthem was played. It's a very green area inside. They've got a little bit of a handicraft market. They have portable nail salons. They have little credit cards or little prepaid money cards with photos of Indonesian comic heroes on them. That's a really cool touch which I like. What happens after the Asian Games? Well, this place will also house the athletes who participate in the Paralympics, which will happen soon after this. And after those 2 events, individual units will be sold privately to the public. So people who come here might be able to buy the room of, maybe a gold medal winner was sitting there. Maybe if Sindhu goes on to win the gold, somebody one day can say that maybe Sindhu was sleeping in that bed. That's it for our time here at the Athletes Village. Very limited access, but a wonderful place to be, a wonderful place to see all these athletes in the same place. It's the kind of environment that lends to excellence. I suppose thinking about Abhinav Bindra when he said shooting with better shooters, with other shooters, just looking at what the world was doing was something that spurred him to improve his craft very, very early on. And that's something I can see can happen quite easily in this environment here. So it's an amazing place to be, especially for a first-time athlete as well as a first-timer for the media like me.